Morning everybody, my name is Ravikesh and today we will study maths. Today's topic is ascending and descending order. So we will learn first how to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now what is ascending order? Ascending order means to arrange the number from small to big. Okay, so we will arrange the numbers from small to big, and how you will remember this, that ascending order is to arrange the numbers from small to big, is that always remember A for ascending and A for and. And is very small. Okay, so let us now start to arrange the numbers from small to big. You can see over here the numbers are written from 1 to 8. Okay, 1 is the smallest number and 8 is the biggest number. So here the numbers from 1 to 8 are arranged from small to big. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is how we are going to arrange the number from small to big. So ascending order means to arrange the numbers from small to big. Now let us go to our first question. You can see the first question is 3246, 1536, 6789, 4512. Before we arrange the numbers from small to big, step 1, that please see how many digits are there in each number. First number we are having 4 digits, second also we are having 4 digits, third also we are having 4 digit, and fifth number also we are having 4 digit. So all the numbers are having same digits. Okay, so now second we will see the places. Here on thousands place you can see number 3. Here on thousands place we are having number 1, and here on thousands place we are having number 6, and here on thousands place we are having number 4. So the smallest number is 1. So first we will be writing 1536. Okay, now the second smallest number on thousands place is 3. So second number we will be writing 3246, and the third smallest number is 4 on thousands place. So we will be writing 4512, and the biggest number is 6789. Let us check our answer. Yes, it's right. So you can see how it is arranged in ascending order. Now let us move on to our question number 2. Here what is the first rule? That we will see the number of digits. Okay, now here we are having 4 digits, again we are having 4 digits. Oh, here we are having 3 digits. Okay, and here we are having 4 digits. So these 3 numbers are having 4 digits, but here the third number is having only 3 digits. So this is the smallest number because here 9 is on hundreds place. So the first number that we are going to write is 982. So this is our smallest number. Now let us compare between these 3 numbers which are having 4 digits. Okay, now the second step we are going to see the places. 3 is on thousands place, here 5 is on thousands place, and 7 on thousands place. So on thousands place the smallest number is 3. So the second number we are going to write 3428. Okay, followed by 5624, and the biggest number is 7914. Let us see our answer. Oh yes, it's right. 982, 3428, 5624 and 7914. So this is how we are going to arrange the number from small to big. Okay, now let's go to question number 3. Question number 3, again first what we are going to do, we are going to count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are having 4 digits over here. And second number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we are having 5 digits. Third number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again we are having 5 digits, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We are having 4. So 2 numbers we are having of 4 digits, and these 2 numbers we are having of 5 digits. So first we will compare between these 2 numbers having 4 digits. Okay. So next step is we will see the thousands place. Thousands place we are having 5, and over here we are having 9. So the smallest number is 5679, followed by 9981. Okay, now the third number, let us find out the third smallest number. Over here at 10,000s place we are having 1, and same here 10,000s place we are having 1. So what are we going to do now? We will move to thousands place. Thousands place we are having 0, and over here thousands place we are having 1. So the smallest number is 10,092, followed by 11,345. Let us check our answer. Oh yes, you can see we are having the right answer 5,679, 9,981, 10,092 and 11,345. Okay, so this is how we are going to arrange the numbers ascending order, small to big. Okay, always remember A for and, A for ascending order. Okay children, now descending order. Descending order means vice versa of ascending order. Descending order means big to small. Okay, D for dinosaurs, and dinosaurs are very big. So remember, D means descending, and descending order means you will arrange the number from big to small. Okay, now let us move to our first question. The first question is 3,246, 1,536, 6,789, 4,512. Again you will see the number of digits. All the numbers are having 4 digits. Okay, so the next step we will move on to the place value. Thousands place we are having 3. Here thousands place we are having 1. Over here thousands place we are having 6. And over here thousands place we are having 4. So which is the biggest number? Biggest number, thousands place we are having 6. So this is our biggest number, 6,789. Okay, followed by the next biggest number, 4,512. Followed by 3,246. And the smallest number we are having 1,536. This is how we are going to arrange the number from big to small. Okay, now let us check our answer. Yes, it's right. Let's move on to next question. Second question. You can see the question over here. 3,428, 5,624. These two numbers are having 4 digits. And here 982. Only 3 digits are there. And then 7,914. There are 4 digits. Okay. So the smallest number will be 982 because it is having only 3 digits. But we are arranging from big to small. The biggest number is 7 on thousands place. Okay. So first number we are going to write 7,914. Okay. Now next after that 5. So thousands place we are having 5. So next number will be 5,624. And the next number will be 3,428. And as you all know, it is having only 3 digits. So the smallest number will be 982. Let us check our answer. Yes, 7,914, 5,624, 3,428, 982. So always remember children, first we will see the digits. Okay, how many digits are there, and then we will next step compare with their place. Okay, now here we are having 4 digits, 5 digits, 5 digits, 4 digits. So we will compare now first between this 5-digit numbers. Why? Because we are arranging from big to small. So the 5-digit number, here 10,000 place I am having 1, and here also I am having 1. Now let us go, because 10,000 place is same, we will go on thousands place. Thousands place here I am having 0, and thousand place here we are having 1. So the biggest number will be 11,345, followed by 10,092. Now let us move on to this 2 4-digit numbers. Here thousands place we are having 5, and over here we are having 9. So the next biggest number will be 9,981, followed by 5,679. Let us check our answer. Oh yes, our answer is right. 11,345, 10,092, 9,981, 5,679. So this is how you are going to arrange the number from big to small. Okay, let me again brief you up. Ascending order means to arrange the numbers from small to big. A for ant. Ant is very small. So we are going to arrange the numbers from small to big. And descending order means to arrange the numbers from big to small. D for dinosaur. D for descending order. So this is how you are going to arrange the numbers. Thank you. Sums for you to practice in ascending order as well as in descending order. So please practice these sums. It will be useful for you. Thank you.